Hi guys, Melissa here with my honest and unbiased review of the GE appliance replacement filter, filter for your refrigerator. You guys, I love that I can get this on subscription at Amazon. It is the recommended filter for our fridge just to filter out all the minerals or yucky chemicals that come through. It does a great job reducing 99% of lead and any other toxic chemicals. 50 plus impurities. So we love this for our fridge. We love using it. We love having it on subscription. Check it out. Let me know what you think.